If you've locked your Sezzle card and need to unlock it, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Open the Sezzle app. Launch the Sezzle app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your card settings. Step 2. Navigate to card settings. Once in the app, find the menu or settings option. Look for the section labeled card or payment methods to locate your Sezzle card settings. Step 3. Locate the lock/unlock option. In the card settings, search for the option that indicates the status of your card. This should show whether your card is locked or unlocked. Step 4. Unlock your card. If your card is locked, there should be an option to unlock it. Tap on the unlock button and follow any prompts that appear to confirm your action. Step 5. Confirmation. After unlocking, you should receive a confirmation message within the app. Check your card status to ensure it is now active and ready for use. Now you can use your Sezzle card again for your purchases. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Sezzle's customer support for assistance.